2025 Honda Passport. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.